Antakaran Chatushtaya is a Sanskrit term composed of three parts: Anta, which means inner or internal; Karan, meaning function or activity; and Chatushtaya, which translates to four. This term signifies the four inner functions or activities of the mind. Antakaran, or the four functions of the mind, are Chitta, responsible for memory; Buddhi, representing intellect; Manas, which serves as the sensory mind; and Ahamkara, which embodies the ego. Chitta is the storehouse of memories, impressions, and subconscious thoughts. It functions like an internal library where past experiences and impressions are stored. Chitta influences your thoughts and actions by maintaining a repository of memories, impressions, and behavioral patterns. It shapes your responses and perceptions based on past experiences stored within it. Buddhi is your intellect, the faculty that discerns, discriminates, and makes reasoned judgments. It evaluates information logically, weighing factors such as career growth, salary, work-life balance, etc. Buddhi aids in making informed decisions by analyzing options, considering consequences, and choosing the most appropriate course of action based on rational assessment. Manas is the sensory mind that interfaces with the external world. It gathers information through the senses, integrating it into the mind's framework. It serves as the thinking or reflecting mind, responsible for processing thoughts, emotions, desires, and intentions. Manas plays a crucial role in perceiving and responding to stimuli from the environment, forming the basis for cognitive and emotional processes within an individual. Ahamkara is the identification principle that gives you a sense of individuality and separateness. It forms the I or ego that distinguishes you as a unique person with personal preferences, beliefs, and perceptions. Ahamkara shapes your self-concept and identity, influencing how you relate to others and perceive your place in the world. It plays a crucial role in defining your personality and sense of self-awareness. Simple example to understand Antakaran concept. Manas, mind. Your mind perceives the pleasant weather outside through your senses. It generates thoughts about the possibility of enjoying fresh air and exercise. Chitta, memory. Your memory recalls past experiences of enjoyable walks, perhaps memories of feeling refreshed and relaxed after similar outings. Buddhi, intellect. Your intellect analyzes the situation. It considers factors like the time available, your current energy level, and any other pending tasks or commitments. Ahamkara, ego. Your ego makes the decision. It identifies with the desire to go for a walk, perhaps because it aligns with your personal preference for staying active or enjoying nature. In this scenario, each aspect of Antakaran plays a role. Your mind perceives the opportunity, memory recalls past experiences, intellect analyzes the situation, and ego makes the final decision based on personal inclination. The vital role of Antakaran Chatushtaya in yoga philosophy. Antakaran Chatushtaya is part of yoga philosophy because it outlines the four aspects of the mind that practitioners need to understand and eventually master to attain higher states of consciousness and self-realization through practices like meditation and self-inquiry. Understanding and harmonizing these aspects is crucial for achieving mental clarity, emotional balance, and spiritual growth in yoga. Yoga aids in the mastery of Antakaran Chatushtaya through various yoga practices. Meditation cultivates awareness and clarity, helping to observe and tame the fluctuations of the mind. Chitta. Asana promotes physical health and discipline, which can stabilize the mind. Manas. Pranayam, breath control, balances energy and calms the mind, aiding in concentration. Buddhi. Swadhyay, self-inquiry and reflection, facilitates understanding of the ego, Ahamkara, and fosters self-awareness. Yams and niyamas, ethical practices, cultivates virtues that support mental and emotional balance. By integrating these practices, yoga enables practitioners to harmonize and elevate all aspects of Antakaran, leading to deeper spiritual growth and self-realization. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful.